Hello! If you are some of the lucky students that are in my Tax Deed Investing Simplified 6-week cohort, this is Wednesday on the East Coast at 12 o'clock. It's shortly after 12 o'clock right now. So we have released Module 2. Module 2 is out and ready. So Module 2 focuses on buying properties at the tax deed auction. And I've got about 18 lessons in that module that cover the ins and outs and secrets and tips and shortcuts and stuff like that, and some basic, intermediate, and some advanced information on buying properties at the tax deed sale. And there's probably about just as many, if not probably about 12 or over a dozen resources. These are downloadable resources in addition to the lessons. Now, Module 1, we talked about buying properties that were delinquent in taxes, not just tax deeds, but other types of property, and how to find those leads from areas where you might find motivated sellers, where you should definitely find motivated sellers. So this week, we're concentrating on buying properties at the auction. Later today, this evening from 7 to 9, we're going to do our class online, where I meet with the students and teach them the stuff about buying properties at the auction. And earlier this week on Monday, we did a lunch and learn, tax deed lunch and learn. So we met online and I answered questions. We talked a lot about probate. We talked about surplus. And then we also, there was an owner that we wanted to target to find because they have a property that they probably want to sell or need to sell. As investors, we're looking for people who need to sell, okay? Because that's when we get the best price. So I showed a student that was working with me how to find people, some of the websites to use, and what to say, and the means of communication to use. So this is Tax Deed Investing Simplified. If you are interested in joining the cohort starting in April, on April 30th, it's 6 weeks, and we actually have a bonus week, which is code enforcement. So as a bonus, we are going to be doing code enforcement leads for the 7th week. So it's a 6-week online training. Everything is recorded. It's great information. So if you're looking to invest and buy some properties, if you're already investing and you want to fine tune and get some more properties, check it out. Go to queenoftaxdeeds.com, click on programs, and then you will see Tax Deed Investing Simplified. I'll also put a link in the description or in my what do you call that? Profile. That's what it is, profile. So anyway, go ahead and subscribe, like, and follow if you haven't already. YouTube, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And cohort students, open up the module. There is a brand new module up with tons of information. And we're going to be going over that this evening. And I've also uploaded the PowerPoint slides for you too, that we're going to be going over. All right, so I'm going to make a video right now about some of the resources to explain what they are and put them in there just for the cohort students, because the whole world does need to know what resources we're using, right? Because we're out there competing. So we're trying to get deals, okay? So we don't need to put everything out on blast. All right, take care. Bye. Happy investing.